Of unwanted cats in your garden, and it works. It is sending out a signal that the cats don't like to hear, so they are leaving or avoiding your ground or your garden, whatever. And I mean, I can't prove if that's actually thanks to this thing here, but it feels like it's working. As you see, it has an easy way to put it into the ground as well. Just gonna scoop it in there. And yeah, it is pretty straightforward use-wise. So you just have to turn it on. There's different modes as you see down here. Humans don't hear anything of these noises, so it's not going to be annoying or anything to you guys. Um, I have to admit, I don't know if it hurts the cats. I would not think so. I mean, that would be just ridiculous if that would be sold. But yeah, the cool part is it is actually working with solar power, like a solar panel is built in here, as you can see, and that way you don't have to keep track of it being charged up and all that, so that is pretty decent. And yeah, it also has a little flashlight here, which is good, and yeah, pretty satisfying, at least in my opinion, and I'm pretty happy with the thing it does. Yeah, and I think I would like to call this a day, and until then, I will see you in the next video. My name is Badger. Take care, you guys. I will see you around, and bye bye.